The most important thing about gender is, in our tradition, before the colonial era, the way we approached the gender is different from the way we approach the notions of gender now in the contemporary society. So, men having long hair or wearing anklets or golden jewels was very common. And gods and goddesses in Hindu traditions have played very gender fluid roles without any guilt. And we believe kitchen is most of the people, especially with a very kind of the patriarchal sense, I can say with them, they believe, of course, even before 30 years, we believed that, some people believed that, even before 30 years, some people believed that kitchen is a space for women. But when we go to, resorts or star hotels or somewhere, we cannot, most of the celebrity chefs or the cooks will be the men. So, cooking has nothing to do with being women. And also the very kind of modern notions about, pink is for girls and blue is for boys. And this is how the girl should look, this is how the boy should look. So this is a very kind of, notions which came out of the globalization of gender or out of the colonial mindset, I can say.